You see what I got here? This is the Chick-fil-A versus the new Popeyes chicken sandwich. Alright, so we know Chick-fil-A. Let's go ahead and try it out. Chick-fil-A is always a classic. Right now they are one of the reigning champions when it comes to chicken in general. We got this Popeye. It's kind of heavy. Dang. Okay, it's a new Popeye chicken sandwich right here versus Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. Which one should I buy first? Let me go ahead and try. I'm gonna try the Chick-fil-A, man. It's the one. It's always good. That's all I can say about that. Now it's time for the Popeyes chicken sandwich, which you're waiting to see. Hey, look at that. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna have to do the new Popeye sandwich. Chicken sandwich is bigger. It's way less dry. Crispy. I would eat it all, but and stuff.